Today, I wanted to talk to you about our private money second equity options for cash out purposes. If you own a rental property or an investment property and you need to take cash out in order to invest or buy new properties, for example, and you need to take cash out to go and maybe fix up or maintain or rebuild or even cash flow for your other investment properties, we can help you. These loan programs are meant for really urgent situations. The interest rates are going to be higher and the terms are not going to be as nice as a traditional loan. However, they are flexible, they're easy, they don't require high credit scores, blemishes on credits are okay, and they're quick to get closed. These are usually done or used in urgent or emergency situations. We use them all the time in case we have a home that needs to be closed and there's no other way to get cash in less than 10 days out. Appraisals may not be required and credit checks may not be ran. Give us a call today and we'll help you out with that.